Hello, classmates. In this class, let's complete the production of the horizontal scrolling effect function for the content of the e-commerce homepage interface. Use Adobe XD software to create the interface scrolling and interface click transformation functions for the prepared e-commerce interface. First, we open Adobe XD software. The first step is to adjust the homepage interface. Click on the homepage interface and adjust the size to 1125 multiplied by 2000 pixels. Then select the area in the middle that needs to be vertically scrolled. Click the vertical scroll tool on the right and create a vertical scrolling group. Adjust the up and down positions and then adjust the position of the bottom navigation bar. The second step is to create 3 states for horizontal scrolling. Select the interface and copy 3 of them. Adjust the position of the banner on each interface. The guidelines are used to help with the positioning. The third step is to create the timed scrolling function. Click Prototype, select the first interface. Connect the jump link line to the next interface. And then change the trigger method to time. Set the time to 3 seconds and the easing method to align. Similarly, link the remaining interfaces. The fourth step is to create the scrolling display buttons. Use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle with a size of 20 multiplied by 20 pixels. And adjust the color. Adjust the corner radius to 10 pixels. Then copy 2 of them and adjust the spacing to 20. Select the 3 circles and use the Ctrl+G key to group them. Then copy them to the other 2 interfaces and adjust the positions. Then adjust the shape and position of the buttons on each interface. Remember to move the button layer group into the vertical scrolling group before the adjustment. The fifth step is to create the click jump function. Click Prototype and first select the button on the first interface. Connect the second and third buttons to the second and third interfaces, respectively. Pay attention to the function options on the right. Similarly, make the corresponding links for the buttons on the second interface and the third interface. Then click Preview. The sixth step is to create the dragging function and connect the jump link line to the second interface. Change the trigger method to drag. In the same way, link the banner image on the second interface to the third interface. Link the banner image on the third interface to the first interface, and then preview it. In this way, the horizontal scrolling effect for the content of the e-commerce homepage interface is completed. Let's complete the production of the horizontal scrolling effect function for the content of the e-commerce homepage interface. Use Adobe XD software to create the interface scrolling transformation functions and horizontal scrolling for the prepared e-commerce interface. First, we open Adobe XD software. The first step is to adjust the interface. Open the previously made homepage interface and double-click to enter the layer group of the limited time flash sale section. First, adjust the size of the background whiteboard, and then adjust the positions of the layer groups of limited time flash sale and weekly ranking. Insert the text's limited time flash sale and weekly ranking on it, and adjust their sizes and positions. Create a rectangle with a size of 200 multiplied by 6, adjust the color and position. The second step is to create 2 states for scrolling. The first step of this step is a key point. First, select all the components in this area. Then click the component in the upper right corner to create the default state. Then create 3 states under the default state, and name 2 of the states: limited time flash sale and weekly ranking respectively. Select limited time flash sale and we start to create the state of the limited time flash sale. First, select the layer group of weekly ranking. Right-click and select Lock and Hide. Then select the layer group of limited time flash sale and adjust the size. Then copy 2 product layer groups. And then use the Layout tool in the upper right corner to adjust them at equal intervals. Then click into the picture layer and open the product pictures we prepared. Drag the pictures into the layer and adjust their sizes and positions. Then create the state of weekly ranking. Click the blank area. Then click the component and select the state of weekly ranking. First, move that yellow rectangle below weekly ranking. And then lock and hide the layer group of limited time flash sale. Then use the same steps as before to adjust the layer group of weekly ranking. Then delete state 2. The third step is to adjust the interface and create the vertical scrolling effect. Click the home page interface and adjust the size to 1125 multiplied by 2000 pixels. Then select the area in the middle that needs to be vertically scrolled. Click the vertical scroll tool on the right. Create a vertical scrolling group. Adjust the up and down positions, and then adjust the position of the bottom navigation bar. The fourth step is to create the click scrolling change function. Click Prototype. First, select weekly ranking in the limited time flash sale state. Click the arrow on the right to create a jump link line. Then adjust the type to Auto Animate. Select weekly ranking as the target and change the easing to align. Then click the blank area. And then click the component to adjust it to the weekly ranking state. Then select Limited Time Flash Sale inside, click the arrow. And select Limited Time Flash Sale as the target. Finally, we click Preview to preview it. If you think the jump speed is a bit fast, you can adjust the duration of the link line. In this way, the horizontal scrolling effect for the content of the e-commerce homepage interface is completed. Goodbye, classmates.